How cool would it be if you could just write a math equation and get it solved for you? You can do exactly that using Microsoft OneNote. This technique applies to the OneNote app called OneNote for Windows 10. The way to confirm that you have the capability to solve math equations embedded in the OneNote app is to go to the draw menu. If the ability is available, then you should see this math icon in the draw menu. Let me go to the draw menu, choose one of the pen icons and write down a simple equation. X by 2 equals 5. You need to select this using the lasso tool. You can see that the entire equation has been selected. You can either click the math icon or you can right click the image and then click the math icon. The first thing to verify is that the equation is correctly transferred to text. Select an action. There are 3 options here. We don't want to graph both sides right now. We want to solve for x. So I click the option that says solve for x. Note has given me the answer, but in some cases, you might be a beginner at math and you might want to know how to go about solving such an equation. You can go ahead and click this option that says show steps. The steps are provided here. The first step is to multiply both sides of the original equation by 2. So if you multiply x by 2 by 2, the 2 goes away and you have only x on the left hand side. On the right hand side, if you multiply 5 by 2, you get 10. So this is how to solve this linear equation. If you are a beginner at math or you're trying to learn math on your own, then OneNote can be your teacher, helping you solve your linear equations and also showing you step by step how to go about solving that linear equation. I can write an equation here. X plus 2 equals 5. Use this lasso select to select the equation. Click on this math icon. If you want these steps to be read out to you, you can click this immersive reader icon. The play button here. OneNote is going to read out the steps to help you figure out how to solve such equations. In some cases, you might want to visualize what this equation means. Click on this option that says graph in 2D. This is the equation of the line x plus 2 equals 5. This is how x plus 2 equals 5 looks on the number line. After solving x plus 2 equals 5, we got x equals 3. That means x is always at a value of 3. And that is what this graph also shows. X is always at a value of 3, no matter what the value of pi is. The graph of each side separately. For instance, you might want to know how does 5 look like. So this is how 5 looks like. And how does a line with the equation x plus 2 look like on the graph? This is how this line looks like. OneNote can not only help you solve the equation, it can also help you with the solution steps. It can also help you with a bunch of graphs to help you visualize what it means to solve an equation. If you're a math teacher, you can use the OneNote tool to write down a bunch of equations for your students to solve. You can have them check it using OneNote itself. As a math teacher, you might also want to draw and show different shapes to your students. The ink to shape feature of OneNote will come extremely handy. Click on ink to shape, then click on one of these markers. The moment you draw a shape, OneNote has converted it into the proper geometric shape. Likewise for the square, here you have a rectangle, ellipse, parallelogram. Simple calculations are done automatically within OneNote itself. More complex equations can be solved using the math tool. You can see not only the solution steps, you can have the solution steps dictated to you. You can also see the graph of the equation. Finally, you can visualize different shapes using the ink to shape feature. Have you used OneNote for learning or teaching math? If so, let me know in the comment section. For more such videos, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification icon so that you get a notification whenever I post a new video. That's it for this video. Goodbye and take care.